Good things come in small packages when it comes to supersizing our business. Yes, even though I'm divorced, I still have my wedding ring box. Isn't that funny? But in it, I do not have my wedding rings. My wedding rings, although I'm going to get them changed into something different since I've been divorced over 5 years now, I haven't done anything with them yet. I custom designed my wedding band, and the truth is, good things come in small packages, and good things, my wedding ring is one of those things at my wedding. Even though it started out in a small package, a lot of good things came out of that, even though the end result is that we're divorced. So this idiom, this expression dates back, it's an Aesop fable, right? That's where it originally came from. And it means that often things of the most value are small in size. Size does not determine the value or the worth or something. So think of things like diamonds, think of things like babies. Have you ever held a new baby in your family? That will tell you that baby is worth more than you can even imagine. And I will contend that all human beings are of equal value, no matter what, no matter, as human beings. Maybe not the things they do and the results that they get and the way they behave, but as the human beingness part of them, I think everybody is of equal value. We are all infinite beings. Anyway, that's a topic for another day. So this expression is closely related to the proverb, big things come in small packages. And it's one of those proverbs that stands, and idioms and expressions that stands the test of time, because it's founded in something that people can relate to, an uncommon truth that size and quality isn't determined by worth, and size and quality doesn't determine worth. So how does this play out in our businesses? Well, we all, no matter how many, a lot of companies are judged by the number of employees they have, but are judged by the amount of profitability they have, or the total dollars that they move through their business. Now, the total dollars they move through their business might be huge, but at the end, they might not even be profitable. We've all seen examples of tremendously high volume businesses that actually lose money and end up going out of businesses. Think savings and loan. I'm thinking of Christmas movies, of course, since it's that time of year. But it just reminds us of the truth that what you see isn't necessarily what you get. And just because you see a little box doesn't mean it has something of little value in it. And in our businesses, size doesn't matter, but small changes can make huge differences in our businesses and in our life. Changing our thinking and changing the way we see things and our perspective can have huge impacts on our business. Changing our processes and systems and just tweaking them a little bit can have a huge difference in our profitability, our results, the improved service and quality that we give to our customers. Small changes, little teeny tweaks and adjustments can have a huge impact on the bottom line and on the experience that people have with our organization. Little things matter. Little things make a difference. How you treat your customers, how you think about them, how you feel about them, it shows no matter what. We all know the companies that don't give two hoots about us, right? That don't care about us at all. I think cell phone companies, I think some big car manufacturers, I think pharmaceutical companies. Do they really care about us except for us increasing their bottom line and increasing their profits? I think that we know that they don't. So curious, your experience with this particular idiom. Good things come in small packages, big things come in small packages. I am very short in stature, so I've heard this idiom and this expression my entire life. My entire family is very short. I think my grandfather on my mom's side was 5'2". My dad's dad was really tall, but my dad was maybe 5'8", and my mom 4'11". She says 4'11 3/4", but her sisters were all under 5 feet except one. And in my family, I'm 5'1.5" on my tiptoes probably nowadays, because I've shrunk over the years. But I always say I'm 5'1.5", because the shorter you are, the smaller you are, the more you're trying to beef that up. And back when I was younger, I would wear high heels, but long since given that up, because we wanted to appear bigger and taller. And there's all kinds of research about the impact of size and people's impressions, and none of it really matters if we keep in mind that what something is worth to us is what really matters. So share in the comments below your experience with this particular idiom or expression, and I will be with you tomorrow, of course, for another Christmas kind of related idiom. I should have grabbed some Christmas packages from under the Christmas tree, some little ones, and explained that based on the size doesn't mean what was most expensive or what's worth the most. And the thing you want the most is what's worth the most. It doesn't matter what size package it comes in. So have an awesome day, and I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow.